How to fix screenshot not working in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option accessibility. Now click on it and then scroll down and here you can see the option screenshot. Now click on it and here you can enable your screenshot gestures. If you turn off these buttons, then turn it on. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After doing these steps, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.